Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review of this Ninja Foodi Dual Air Fryer. And one of the coolest things about this is you can actually cook two different types of food at the same time, so you don't have to cook one like you would with a single air fryer, wait, and then cook the other. As you can see here, you have one side right here and the other side right here. And I think one of the cool things here is this smart finish mode, and it tells you right here exactly what you should set it at based on the food. So it's really handy that you have that right there. And these things are really easy to remove and clean out. I like that part as well. And so what you do is once you power it up right here, then you can start depending on whether you want to use the first or the second air fryer. And you just pick exactly what you want and the time, and then you go ahead and start it. So once again, you can cook like meat on one side and a vegetable on the other and be able to just walk away and let it go. Overall, really like this Ninja Foodi Dual Air Fryer.